Number 10, Rahui Katene.
Mr. Speaker, thank you.
Order.
My question is to the Attorney-General. How does the government's review of the Foreshore and Seabed Act reflect the Cabinet-agreed principles that the development of a new regime must reflect the Treaty of Waitangi, its principles and related jurisprudence?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
The Crown's duty of active protection of Maori property interests as guaranteed by the treaty is reflected by the repeal of Labour's 2004 Act, the restoration of uninvestigated customary title which was extinguished by that Act, and the establishment of awards which will recognise the relationship of tangata whenua with the foreshore and seabed. The development of the new regime in good faith and consultation with the public, the Maori Party and iwi leaders reflects the treaty and its principles. And finally, the restoration of that fundamental human right of access to justice, which was lost under the 2004 Act, reflects the Article 3 guarantee of the rights of all citizens of this country.
Rahui Katene.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. What did the Minister mean when he said in reference to customary title, the fact that the title is different doesn't mean it's inferior in any way?
The Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Mr. Speaker, well, under the new regime it will be different, but I emphasise it's not inferior. Different doesn't mean inferior. An example will be, for example, that fee simple title is able to, or freehold title is able to be sold, customary title won't be, and that is certainly what iwi groups that I've spoken to are very, very keen to see.
The Honourable Marion Street.
To the Minister, now that customary title will be able to be visited either through the courts or in separate negotiations with the government, what are the risks of destabilising existing Treaty of Waitangi settlements, and in particular, how does he reconcile the new regime with Section 10 of the Ngāi Tahu Claims Settlement Act and the principle of full and final settlement?
Honourable Chris Finlayson.
The principle of full and final settlement's not affected at all. If Ngāi Tahu, for example, notwithstanding Section 10 of the Act, feel that they have an issue about an aspect of the foreshore and the seabed not covered by the Act that they want to come and talk to the government about, then they're welcome to do so. And there could well be, in the rohe of Ngāi Tahu, extant customary rights that need to be investigated.
Rahui Katene.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. What will be the benefits for customary title holders in relation to non-nationalised minerals, and what minerals are included within the scope of this proposal?
Honourable Chris Finlayson.
Speaker, those who have a customary title will be able to own the non-nationalised minerals within their areas of recognised customary title, and this applies to all minerals except gold, silver, uranium and petroleum. Petroleum, of course, having been nationalised by the first Labour government in 1937. They're very good at that sort of thing.
Question number... order. I couldn't hear. Is it a supplementary question or a point of order?
No, point of order.
Point of order. The Honourable Tariana Turia.
I seek leave to read the statement of the Honourable Parekura Horomia when he was Minister of Māori Affairs in June 2003 on the foreshore and seabed, where he said the land wars are over.
Order. No, order. The member must resume his seat. Order. There will be no interjections anywhere. Leave is sought. Order. Leave is sought for the member to read that statement. Is there any objection to that course of action? There is. Point of order, the Honourable Nanaia Mahuta.
Point of order, I seek leave to table the review panel's report, which was ignored by the government.
Order, leave is sought to table that document. Is there any objection? There is objection. Point of order, the Honourable Tariana Turia.
I seek leave of the House to be able to table the statement that the Honourable Parekura Horomia made in 2003 in June.
Leave is sought to table that document. Is there any objection? There is objection. Question number 11, Sua Williams-Seo.
Mr. Speaker.